Today we're just taking a nice day. You know, we're enjoying some nice, relaxing weather here. Just enjoying a day at the park. Yep. Just thought we enjoy. Just thought we enjoy a nice day today because it's hot where I am. It's a good day to get to the park. Summer's starting soon. I believe for us, school ends in a week. Yep. But this is just a nice, typical day at a park, you know, relaxing. Just enjoying nature. Yep, just enjoying nice nature. Whew. It's actually really relaxing. Yep. Yep, it's just really relaxing today. Yep, we're just enjoying a nice time, you know, just having fun, you know. My co-creator is around here somewhere, but she's just not in this video. Yep, this is a nice relaxing day. Yep, we're just all here enjoying it. I'll see if I can move a little bit closer so you can see like all these different rocks and stuff. I also think going into a creek is very relaxing. If you guys have any ideas for us to do for summer, please leave them in the comments below. We would highly appreciate it. Yeah, we would highly appreciate it. Like, what kind of videos would you like to see from us this summer? Yep. Like, what would you like to see for us this summer? Like, yes, we might have some of our own ideas, but we would love to hear your ideas as well. Yep. Just enjoying all of this. You can see there's some clouds up in the sky. Would you guys call this a creek, river, or stream? Let me know. Yes, we do a little bit of Roblox as well. Yep, we're just taking it all in. And if you're new, please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Yep. This is one of my favorite things to do. Yep. One of my favorite moments to do. Yep. We're just enjoying it. Yes, the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. It is amazing. Yep. Yep. I'm just taking time. I'm gonna make sure you guys can see it all as good as I can. Yep. Yep, I'm just enjoying it all. Yep. Okay. See a bird over there. This is a fun family activity you guys can do with your family. Yep. Just enjoying it all. Yep. Just enjoying this nice time and relaxing. Yep. Guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. Hope you guys have a nice day. Please subscribe. Please ring that bell. Please turn on post notifications. Don't forget to like goal for this video is 100 likes. Leave comments. We will try to respond to as many as we can. Alright guys, have a nice day. Bye.